I want to see this. I'm gonna make it into a perfect ball.
There's some orange in my slime.
I was just painting my nails the same color as my slime, so then they just blend right in.
Here, stretch it out, Elliot. Let's see how wide you can get yours.
You can put it anywhere.
What you doing, Oscar? You're putting all that glue, a whole thing of glue in there?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Jen?
Spread out.
Mixing borax and water.
How much borax do you have there?
1 teaspoon. How much water? A cup of warm water.
You actually did 2 ones. You actually did 2 scoops. She actually did 2 scoops.
No, I didn't. I put 1
There's
scoop
2.
in each one.
There's 2 containers of water. So that makes sense. Good thing we did 2 scoops. Very observant. Alright, mix in your food coloring, Oscar. Whoa, that looks pretty neat, doesn't it? Looks like you're making an artistic picture.
That.
Oh, orangey.
No, I
This will
don't.
have to be Elliot's.
Yeah. Oh, looking good, Oscar.
It's really good.
That looks really good.
Looks good so far.
Okay.
Alright, so you're adding
Stir it
some of
up.
that borax water.
Did you add some to yourself?
Now it's really
Keep going. You gotta stir it
Oh
up
my
more.
goodness, it makes it all slimy right away.
Yeah.
Ready?
Whee!
Let's see this in action.
Touch the slimy part.
Do the
Need
chemical
a little
reaction.
bit more, Olivia.
Oh, it's turning slimy.
You need some more too, Oscar.
Oh, so gross. Pull it up a bit, Elliot.
It's really slimy.
Weird. You don't really even need that much
No.
borax water.
Yeah, you need a teaspoon of borax and.
So cool. Oscar, how's it going over there?
You can add lotion to make it stretchier too.
Well, we're
We
not
could
gonna
probably
have
add different things to.
Mine is some of it's like, yeah, it's
it.
not.
You gotta.
Yeah,
Ew.
mine too.
Mine is already almost ready.
Oh!
Is it?
Mhm.
It's ready?
Almost there, Oscar. I think you need 1 more.
Isn't that
Borax.
smooth?
Yeah, you will be once you play with it.
Yeah, keep working.
I'm just gonna keep working it.
Oh yeah, you're working it, are you,
Oscar
Oscar?
is like pulling away from the sides
Mine
now.
too.
Mine is. It's not. Oh yes, it is. Yeah, it's not. So there. Now you can probably play with it. Now you can't throw it around the room or anything. You have to be responsible. Can you put it on the table? Yeah. Well, don't make it stick. It shouldn't stick to the table.
Sounds pretty gross, Oscar. How's it feel?
It feels great. How are you doing over there, Allie? Do you want me to give yours a little stir? Yeah. 1 second, I'll stick it.
Oh, it's a little bit stretchy.
Oh, you're feeling things.
Elliot, I think you need a little more borax in yours. Maybe? Maybe not.
This is
If you add too much, it gets like this, like where it just like doesn't stretch. Oh,
Mine is already really good.
Mine's chunky.
Yeah, if you keep playing with it, look at Oscar's. He's been playing with his now for just like 3 minutes. His isn't chunky anymore.
Can I poke it?
Yeah.
Ew, it does. It feels gross. Like the good slime, though. It feels like a good slime. Like a commercial
Sorry, baby.
quality slime.
There you go. Yep. Keep going.
How did you make it so smooth, Oscar?
I don't know.
Just keep pulling it and just folding it and just
it's not
playing with
stretchy.
it.
It's like weird.
What we do here is go back.
What did you make?
Don't put it on your face, though, okay?
Why?
Because
Because it's like,
I made it so good.
I made a circle.
Slurp, did it?
If I put
Because
it
now
on,
it's like,
it gets
Oh, you just need a little extra borax water and it wasn't sticky anymore.
oh no, this is mine.
Well, we stole yours.
There you go.
Oh my, this is sticks. Oh no, it's getting all the things off my hand. Oh, look at that. That's perfect.
Cool.
Oh, you just add like a few little drops.
Make it do slimy things. Yeah, look at the slime. Rips apart.
Have like a clear slime.
Jan's working with a clear glue here to see how that turns out instead of the regular white
The
glue.
interwebs told me that clear glue would work.
Clear glue
Clear, you
works
can't
better,
even see it.
I think.
Icing and stuff.
Luster dust.
It's like iridescent.
Yeah. Looks sparkly.
That's pretty cool. It won't mix in like that, I don't think, hon.
Yeah, well, let's just try it.
If it ruins now.
I got a
Purple, how is purple made? Can you?
Fine.
I feel yours.
Yours
Yeah.
looks sticky, Jen.
It's a little sticky. I'm gonna go wash my hands and see.
Can I play with a piece of yours?
Might be the luster dust.
No, I think it'll be okay actually. Yeah, that's how ours were. Yeah. See, it'll be okay. Leave mine alone. Don't.
Looks like sticky.
Touched it.
Also, Olivia.
And Olivia.
I told you guys to not touch me.
I didn't.
Ooh, nice smiley face.
See, I'm the best boy.
Oh, yours is like the perfect one, eh?
Yeah, I
What's
have
it feel like? Olivia?
Oscar's is.
this feels like. No.
Don't,
It feels like
Olivia.
a face.
You did. That's great.
Mine is
I know.
Yeah. I think it's different. Because it's different.
Oh, nice.
Squish.
Can you just like feel it?
Like iceberg.
We'll videotape.
Garbage needs gone.
I'm gonna, man, you're between the stick away.
I'm just playing with my slime. It bounces and everything. Whoa! This is great.
I'm probably.
I want to bite it. I want to eat
There's some orange in my slime.
I would paint my nails the same color as my slime so they blend right in.
Here, stretch it out, Elliot. Let's see how wide you can get yours. Stretch it.
Do you know how wide mine can get?
Whoa. Let's go. I gotta back up to get it all
Daddy, look how far mine can go.
in. Okay, let's see how
First,
far
I
yours
have
can
to
go.
squish it, kind of.
Whee! That's like a snake. It's like a worm.
You're gonna stretch it?
I'm gonna roll it up. I can stretch mine really far. Take some. Roll it.
Okay.
Let's still going, okay? Yeah,
Listen to
get
it.
prepared.
Listen to it.
Alright, so just to recap. You need 1 thing of glue. Then you mix a tablespoon of borax.
A teaspoon of borax into a cup of warm water.
And then fun.
And then you add the water and borax mixture to your glue.
And
Mixture.
then you
One teaspoon at a time.
and then
This is how long Oscar's slime is. Look, it just keeps going and going.
now.